Good morning class, welcome. I hope you have done Cartesian plane, you have wrote down the points in your notebooks, you have drawn the Cartesian plane in your notebook. Today we are coming down to location of the points, that is your exercise 3.3 of your textbook. You must have seen that it is very easy, location of the points. Second exercise, few questions were there on which identification of the points are already there. You have to identify them. Now today we are coming down to location of the points. Correct? Exercise 3.3. Very simple questions. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the following points lie? The first point, -2, 4. -2, 4. So which is the x coordinate? -2. Which is the y coordinate? 4. The x is negative. Where is x negative? On x-axis. This is -2. And y4 positive. Negative and positive. So -2 and +4. It is somewhere over here. Yes or no? -2, 4. That is point A. Clear? We had discussed in the previous chapter also. First quadrant, both are positive. Second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. We had discussed in the previous lecture. Third quadrant, both are negative, x as well as y. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So I can clearly see -2, 4, x is negative, y positive. In which quadrant? Second quadrant. He says, verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So we have to locate them as well. Clear? So you will locate, you will put a graph sheet in your notebooks. Second, 3, -1. 3, -1. X is positive, y is negative. Where is x positive, y negative? Fourth quadrant. So x is 3. This is 3x3. Y -1. This is y -1. So it comes down over here. 3, -1. Point B, I can name it. Correct? Next point, -1, 0. -1, 0. Which coordinate is 0? Y coordinate is 0. Where is y coordinate 0? On x-axis. The other day I wrote it over here on this lecture, previous lecture. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. X-axis, because its y coordinate is 0. X is -1, y is 0. X is -1, here it is y 0. That means we are neither going up, neither going down. So put a dot, and this is your point C, -1, 0. Then 1, 2, both are positive. 1, 2, both are positive. So which quadrant? First quadrant, x1, y2. x1, y2. X is 1, y is 2. On your graph sheet, it will be very, very clearly visible to you. Clear? Then next, -3, -5. -3, -5. Both the terms are negative. Both the coordinates are negative. X as well as y. -3, -5. X is -3 first, and then y -5. Y -5 over here. So it will come down here. Yes or no? -3, -5. That is point D. Correct? Clear? So this was your first one, location of the points. Second question is also the same. Plot the points x and y given in the following table. You choosing suitable units for distances. -2, 8. X is -2 and 8. -2, 8. So which quadrant? Which quadrant? X is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive. -2, 8. So when you make the graph, you will be getting 8 centimeter. Then -1, 7. -1, 7. Again which? Second quadrant. X is negative, y is -1, 7. It will go on top. Then 0, -1.25. 0, -1.25. Which is negative? X is negative. X is negative on which axis? Y-axis. So -1.25. This is -1 and -2. This is -1.5. And in between you will have -1.25. So this point, I name it as P. 0, -1.25. Correct? Then 1, 3. Which quadrant? First quadrant. Both are positive. Then 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1, which quadrant? It is already placed 3 comma minus 1. Clear, students? So this was your location of the points on the Cartesian plane. Clear? You have to locate the points on one graph. Don't use two graphs. You can do it on the same graph. Now I am giving you few questions, one practice question to locate the points on the graph. You will do it on a separate. This will be on a separate graph, and the question I am giving you on a separate graph. You can do it in your notebooks. Plot the following points on Cartesian plane. You can name the points as you like, A, B, C, D, correct? 3, 1, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 0, correct? 3, 0, minus 3, 0, 0, minus 4, okay? And 3.5, 4.5, and 5, minus 7, minus 3, minus 2. Alright? These are the points you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and say minus 1.5, 2. These are the 10 points you can locate. You can name them A, B, C, D, whatever. Clear? So the chapter is over. Only problem here was your coordination, understanding of coordinate geometry. This chapter is important for class 10th. This chapter will again be applied. This plotting of points will again be applied in the next chapter that we are going to start of linear equation in two variable. There we are going to again draw the graph. There you find that when we are drawing, it is coming in a straight line. Clear, students? So please do it. This question in your one graph and this practice question in another graph. Thank you.